Epidural hematoma is not going to cross the suture line, whereas a subdural hematoma can cross the suture line. This is a common finding that we will see on imaging. So, what does this mean? As you can see from the picture, an epidural hematoma is going to be bleeding that is going to occur between the skull and the dural matter. Now, the dural matter, as you can see, is going to adhere to the skull at the suture line over here. As a result, blood can accumulate all the way up to the suture line, but it is not going to cross it. Now, if we compare that to the subdural hematoma, there is going to be bleeding between the dural matter and the arachnoid matter. And so, because there are no suture lines, because this layer is going to be underneath, blood can accumulate from the front of the cranium to the all the way back, and as a result we can see this crescent shape on imaging. And because with an epidural hematoma blood can accumulate all the way to the suture line, it gives us this lance shape finding on imaging. So an epidural hematoma, to summarize, does not cross the suture line, whereas a subdural hematoma, because it is underneath, can cross the suture line. An epidural hematoma is going to give us this lance shape finding on imaging, whereas a subdural hematoma is going to give us this crescent shape on imaging.